The T6 are the 6th generation of Turbine series headphones from Bluedio, and honestly I expected a lot better. The design is the USP of T6. The headphone looks really amazing. The build quality is fantastic. The feel in hand and on ear is very premium. It's made of titanium and aluminum alloy, which does look great but adds a little weight. The T6 is not a light headphone. It weighs about 400 grams, but these are super comfortable on ear. The cushioning for the ear is super soft and durable as well. I can wear these for hours and hours without feeling any pain, discomfort or fatigue. You can increase the size according to your need. I have the subtle looking black, but if you want a more attractive look, you can buy them in yellow or red color. There is only one button for play, pause, triggering assistant and power. There are no volume buttons and neither there is a button to change song. There is also no headphone jack. Thanks a lot Apple. There is only one Type-C port for charging the headphone. For wired audio, you can't just use any Type-C to 3.5mm connector. It will not work. You have to buy the proprietary cable from Bluedio separately, which will cost around $7. There is another switch to turn on noise cancellation, which I will talk about in a minute. And we also have a multicolor LED indicator. The battery life is another plus point. It is claimed to last about 25 hours and it does last that long. The Bluedio T6 have Bluetooth 5 and I never had any hiccups or weird pauses in audio, which is a problem in cheaper Bluetooth headphones. The call quality is good too, and you don't have to talk any louder than you normally would. Inside a well-packed box you get the headphone itself, a really long Type-C cable for charging, and a pouch which is too small to carry the headphone. Let's talk about the real deal breaker with the T6. The headphone have 57mm drivers, but the headphone is not loud. I have another pair of Bluetooth headphones with only 40mm drivers and they are twice as loud. And trust me, this is not a software problem. I have tried the T6 on latest iPhone, Samsung devices with media sync turned on and off. And this is also not a problem with my unit. Everyone is facing this problem. They are not very quiet, but they are just not loud enough. While loudness is a problem, the audio quality isn't. The headphone sounds crystal clear at all frequencies with just a little lack of bass, for which you can tweak the equalizer. The T6 have active noise cancellation and it just works. It cuts out low frequency noises, but the effect is very subtle. And only times it's useful is when you are in ultra quiet environment like in a library. You cannot use active noise cancellation while you are moving. The headphone will make weird cracking noises. So that's pretty much it about the Bluedio T6. It's not a complete package, far from it. Check out the links in the description to buy Bluedio T6 and some other alternatives. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.